Clear skin. Naturally. Home remedies to get rid of scars and pimples. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic many of us can relate to, getting rid of scars and pimples using simple and effective home remedies. Whether you're dealing with acne scars or pesky pimples, we've got you covered with natural solutions that you can easily try at home. But before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on all things skincare. Let's get started. Segment 10, Understanding Scars and Pimples. First things first, let's understand what we're dealing with. Scars and pimples can be stubborn, but with the right approach, you can diminish their appearance naturally. Acne scars often result from inflammation, while pimples can be caused by various factors like excess oil, bacteria, or clogged pores. Our goal today is to tackle these issues using ingredients you probably already have at home. Segment 9, Lemon Magic for Fading Scars. Our first home remedy is a skincare superhero, lemons. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which helps lighten dark spots. Simply squeeze fresh lemon juice and apply it to your scars using a cotton ball. Leave it on for about 15 minutes, then rinse with water. This can be done a few times a week, but be cautious if you have sensitive skin. Dilute the lemon juice with water to avoid irritation. Segment 8, Aloe Vera Soothing Gel. Next up, we have the ever-so-soothing aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can work wonders on both scars and pimples. Extract the gel from an aloe vera leaf and apply it directly to the affected areas. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, and if possible, overnight for maximum benefits. Aloe vera not only helps fade scars, but also calms redness and inflammation associated with pimples. Segment 7, Turmeric Healing Paste. Turmeric, the golden spice with incredible healing properties. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with honey or yogurt to create a paste. Apply this paste to your scars and pimples, leaving it on for about 20 minutes. Turmeric is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it a fantastic natural remedy for clearer, healthier skin. Segment 6, Tea Tree Oil's Antimicrobial Punch. Tea tree oil is another potent ingredient in our skincare arsenal. Known for its antimicrobial properties, tea tree oil can help combat acne and reduce scarring. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil like jojoba or coconut oil, and gently apply it to your scars or pimples. Be cautious with the concentration. Start with a small amount to avoid skin irritation. Segment 5, Honey and Cinnamon Mask. Let's end with a deliciously sweet remedy, a honey and cinnamon mask. Honey is a natural humectant, helping to retain moisture in the skin, while cinnamon has antimicrobial properties. Mix a teaspoon of honey with a pinch of cinnamon, apply it to your face, and leave it on for about 15 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water for a refreshing and skin-nourishing experience. Segment 4, Apple Cider Vinegar Toner. Moving on to another kitchen staple, apple cider vinegar. It acts as a natural toner, helping to balance the skin's pH levels. Dilute apple cider vinegar with water and apply it to your face using a cotton ball. This can help reduce the appearance of scars and prevent future breakouts. Remember, it's essential to patch test and dilute properly to avoid irritation. Segment 3, Papaya Enzyme Mask. Let's explore the tropical goodness of papaya. Papaya contains enzymes like papain, which exfoliate dead skin cells and promote skin renewal. Mash up some ripe papaya and apply it as a mask. Leave it on for about 20 minutes to reveal smoother and brighter skin. This natural exfoliation can aid in fading scars and preventing new pimples. Segment 2, Oatmeal Soothing Scrub. For a gentle exfoliation and soothing effect, turn to oatmeal. Create a paste using ground oatmeal and water. Gently massage it onto your face in circular motions and leave it on for 15 minutes. Oatmeal helps in sloughing off dead skin cells, reducing inflammation, and promoting healing, making it an excellent addition to your skincare routine. Segment 1, Hydration and Healthy Lifestyle Tips. Last but not least, let's talk about the importance of hydration and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Drinking plenty of water keeps your skin hydrated and supports its natural healing processes. Additionally, getting enough sleep, managing stress, and maintaining a balanced diet play crucial roles in achieving clear and radiant skin. And there you have it, our natural and effective home remedies to bid farewell to scars and pimples. Remember, skincare is a journey, not a destination. Consistency is key, and what works for one person may vary for another. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more skincare goodness. Until next time, stay beautiful and confident.